Nike SB and Todd Bradford delivered yet another amazing collab, the Strawberry Cough. Released in 2021 based on the hemp plant strawberry strain, the bright red upper with textured overlays resembles the strawberry fruit. The tongue color fades from a light pink to white on top, while the green hairy suede on the outsole and heel represents the fruit's leaves. The semi-translucent sole adds a bit of character to the whole shoe. The strawberry character embroidered on the heel depicts the side effects of the strain. The white thread of the embroidery should light up under the UV light. Both the insoles have the strawberry character in a larger print, showing the side effects of the strain. Here you can see the color fade of the tongue without the laces. And of course, this pair comes with a stash pocket. Which lace color looks better on the pair? Let me know in the comments.